guys, it's Noah and Katie here again. So today, Katie's sound is not working again. This is like the 5th time it's happened. And it's bad. It's been happening a lot. So yeah, let's just get into this. This video is about the boats, how you can get the boat pass for free. If you didn't know already, then there's a video right here that you can look at for free. But anyways, let's get into the video. So you need to go into the home screen. You need to go into the car screen where you spawn your car and stuff. Me and Katie use this a lot. There's a boat pass, and there's also the free boats, and you can spawn it in the water and go have fun with it, do whatever with it, and it's pretty fun. Me and Katie really like it, and I really like it, so mine is blue, not red. So yeah, I like speedboats. And there's also other kinds of boats. There's a police one that Katie's going to show you. There's a army one that Katie's going to show you. There's another one that I might show you. And that's the one that I hate. The boat pass, as I'm showing you, the boat I don't have the boat pass. I'm not using anything. Any hacks. So I am not lying. Some other YouTubers lie about it. But I'm not one of them, so yeah. Katie is showing y'all this jet ski over there, and I'm gonna ride this same jet ski, and it's really big. That's a big jet ski. Next, I might show you something, or Katie might. Right here, I'm going to show you mine. This thing that I don't like. This thing, because one I don't like it is because the triangle in the middle, and it's pretty big, and I just think it's a distraction. And Katie might get me. It's cracking her. She got cracked up because she could get me. She could knock me over. That's the police boat that she's trying to show you. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Y'all should try it out yourself with your friends. Yeah, it's pretty fun. So, I like doing it. Katie likes doing it. We're all fun squad, so yeah, that's pretty fun. It is really though, because I not only get to talk to my best friend, but I also get to do stuff with her, which I love doing stuff with her. So yeah, me and Katie love to do the go riding in the speedboats together, and she turned it hot pink. That's one of her favorite colors, as you know. Her favorite color though is purple. She would tell you that every single time. Purple, 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 purple. And I just don't like it. I can't stand it. Because her favorite color is purple. My favorite color is blue. As all. Why can't she just be regular? Well, she is, but yeah. Pretty good. And yeah. So yeah, it's pretty fun, but still also, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the video. quick update. She is trying to crash into me. And I'm trying to crash into her because she crashed into me. What's wrong? This is bad. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy. Now she's trying to crash into me with that? I don't think so. This is bad. She's being cracked up right now because it's so funny to her that she can just knock into me. Oh, and I'm trying to get her now. And she keeps on getting away. Why are your girls so lucky this day? It's pretty bad. It's bad. I wish it wasn't, but it is. I hate this. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy. Soon, I'm gonna end the video, like, in like 45 seconds. But, okay, this was pretty fun with the boats. I just knocked over and she's laughing about it. These boats are so fun. And they're also making me crack up some. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Comment, like, turn on post notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Thank you. Bye, guys.